first step of the client journey is the initial site visit. This is the opportunity for you to share your vision with us so we can ensure we create a space that fully meets your needs. Following contact with a professional and friendly member of our team, you'll be booked in for a site visit with one of our landscape surveyors. On arrival, you'll receive a brochure that showcases our previous works. Then it is time for you to discuss your requirements with us. Our knowledgeable landscape surveyors will listen to you, making suggestions that complement your vision and sharing ideas with you. Our aim is to help you visualise what your dream garden looks like. Within 48 hours of your site visit, you will receive a detailed quote that tells you all about the design we can implement for you and the methods that we use to make your dream a reality. Our quotes are transparent and easy to understand. Each one gives our best price, as well as a range of payment options, including our 0% finance package. If you can't quite visualise your garden, we also offer a 3D computer-aided design service. From your initial site visit, we can create a visual representation of your dream garden that you can take a walk through in the comfort of our offices. We can also make real-time changes to the design to ensure it is just right for you. If you'd like to book a site visit to discuss your dream garden, then please contact our friendly team on 01 782 396 168 and we will be happy to assist.